Hey guys, so I bought this on Amazon. I'll link this product in the description of the video. And if you guys want to order it, you can. And I'm gonna install it. So, any common instructions, but based off this right here, I'm gonna guess that this actually, you know what? I don't even know what side we belong to what side, to be honest with you. But I'm gonna probably guess that this is probably the cushion side. Let's just go with that and see. Let's see. Okay. Then all I gotta do is let me see all the way. I should have put it the other way. All right, so put it there for now, and then let's see. All right, so I ran the wire through, and then you see it goes down here, and then there you go. So when you close this, boom, nice. The colors I want to say is just about there. I wouldn't say 100%, but it's practically. I mean, you guys see for yourself. You know, it's there. There you have it. And then I could tuck the wires down. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Take care. And don't forget, I'm gonna link the description of this product in the video so you guys can check out. And it's gonna be an Amazon link.